अखोई ngasiगी topic sidi properties of genetic material haibadi molecular basis of inheritance chapter 6 ki makha properties of genetic material haibadi genetic material ama oibada kai property chengani haibadune kai magun chengani haibadune bako se tamdose DNA versus RNA DNA ga RNA ge difference to adu shi yengdoine bako asigi topic sida adudi horaseko. From the foregoing discussion, it is clear that the debate between protein versus DNA as the genetic material was unequivocally resolved from Hershey-Chase experiment. From the foregoing discussion, discussion it is clear that the debate between protein ga DNA ani sigi marakta genetic material se karambano hai se resolve tawkhrebako exception shuklai leitana unequivocally haidi exception shuklai leitana yena ba yaudabida ko yena drasya ko DNA ga RNA gi marakta karambana genetic material oirino haibase ko akhoi discuss tawkhrebako karamba experiment dagi Hershey ga Chase experiment dagi it became an established fact that it is DNA that is genetic material aduna karamba oire haba matamda DNA ga RNA ani sida genetic material se Hershey ga Chase experiment dagi karamba oire haba matamda DNA se oire bako genetic material ori se. However, it subsequently became clear that in some virus, RNA is the genetic material. For example, tobacco mosaic virus, QB, bacteriophage, etc. Haibadi virus khara dediko genetic material se RNA oibako. Virus khara dedi genetic material se RNA oibako. Important ne example ne kaino habada tobacco mosaic virus aduga QB bacteriophage haiseko sineba example hadi virus karamba virus tano RNA na genetic material orise hai tari tobacco mosaic virus QB bacteriophage ko. Answer to some of the questions such as why DNA is the predominant genetic material whereas RNA perform dynamic function of messenger and adapter has to be found from the differences between chemical structure of the two nucleic acid molecules. Answer of the some question hadi question khara ki answer karamaina DNA sina karamaina RNA dagi dominant oraga genetic material oikrino aduga RNA sina kai magi function se messenger ga adapter ga orino haibase karamba study tawrakha kani ba makha da akhoina study tawraktori se hoje study tawraktori se ko karamba nucleic acid hadi nucleic acid ani hadi karamba no RNA ga DNA ga sini ko two nucleic acid magi chemical structure se study tawra matung dane DNA na predominant oraga genetic material orino natraga RNA sina messenger natraga adapter ki function tawrino habise khanga kaneba ko. A molecule that can act as genetic material must fulfill the following criteria. A molecule that can act as genetic material must fulfill the following criteria. Hadi genetic material ama oige hai tardine sigi mana piriba larik sida piriba property se chain gadabane habane bako larik sida piriba property se chain gadamne hab genetic material am oige hai tar hai some harbe example oina DNA se genetic material ne haidana DNA sida genetic material oibe yabigi magun se kai cheli yeng se bako it should be able to generate its replication thok pangam ba oigadaba replication hai tar di duplicate magi duplicate chap manaba masak chap manaba duplication piba ngam ba oigadaba adudune bako replication replica hai duplicate piba ngam ba oigadaba duplication piba ngam ba oigadaba it should chemically and structurally be stable haibadi mase genetic material ama oigadaba haidi DNA se harse example se mase chemically natraga structurally stable oigadaba ko haidi hongoidaba chemically change tawrsu hongoidaba structurally change tawrsu hongoidaba magi properties se ko it should provide the scope for slow changes mutation that are required for evolution. Kaigino haba matamda mase tapna change lakpa oigadaba mutation thokpa oigadaba haidi kaigumba duplication thokpa matamda su kitang soiba haidi 0.00% da soirasu ko adu soigadaba adu su tapna change lakpa oigadaba aduna kaida mateng pangani hab tawni haidi akhoi evolution lakpada mateng pangani ba ko evolution haidi akhoi ahongba la ise ko ahongba haidi miyoibada so khoi mi da so honga ina tro khoi se evolve tawri ini dana adu maina. It should be able to express itself in the form of Mendelian characters ko haibadi mas moise masa matantane Mendelian characters se haidi express tawba ngamba oigadabane ba ko haidi akhoi na mamangi principles of inheritance akhoi hojik tamdri dana ko sin hana si chapter se hana payo na paise na paibani dana aduna adu tawdri bane ba ko adugi Mendelian characters has Mendelian ne piba character singdo chenba oigadabane ba ko haidi genetic material du da. Next, if one examine each requirement one by one because of the rule of base pairing and complementarity, both the nucleic acid DNA and RNA have the ability to direct their duplication. Haibadi aikoina kaigumbana magi requirements se chatma harabada hujiki property akoina mamang da hauji haikibado adu property se amamam sum yeng tar di examine taw tar di ko because of rule of base pairing haidi ngasage ma adenine thymine adumaina base pair sembado guanine ga cytosine aduni ko base pairing haise ado complementary haragana ne kaino haibadane complementarity haragana amaga haidi complement oinaba ama yaudragadi amado mapum phadaba oibado samna haibada adenine yauraga ko thymine yaudradi mapum phadaba aduni complementarity haise ko sidadi both the nucleic acid that means DNA ga RNA ga se duplication piba ngame that means replication tawba ngame haba moigi duplicate piba ngame haba ko tongana the other molecules in the living system such as protein fail to fulfill first criteria itself haidi ko other molecule atopa molecule sing de ko living system dadi samna habida protein se ko first criteria se adum itself haidi fail oreba fulfill tawba ngamdre samna harbada magi piriba requirements sing do genetic material am oibada changba requirements sing do haidi duplication tawba ngamde samna harbada magi rule do follow tawba ngamdre ba protein nadi aduna takpadi mase protein se genetic material natte haidi duplication tawba ngamdramnina replication thokpa ngamdramnina. The genetic material should be stable enough not to change with different stages of life cycle, age, or with change in physiology of the organism. Genetic material haibaseko. Genetic material haibasidi stable oigadamne samna hairabada. Akhoi miyoibase. Akhoi parents ki gene laurini dana. Ado angang oringa ida dum pokpade gene lauramni dana. Ado samna haibada akhoi se chahi sum yam khale sum chaw khale na moigi gene do akhoi hongde dana moigi laurakpa gene do adum yaudori dana aduna different stages of life cycle is sise stability physically change akhoi isada physically change lakpada sune stable adum or leiba adum yauraga leiba hongde ba ko moina haning se genetic material amana cheli se samna habada khoi miyo bedadi DNA yawidana DNA se khoi parents se inherit tawraktorin dana aduna khoi chahi yam khalak tar su khoi gi life cycle se change tawrak taw su khoi physical appearance se change tawrak tar su hong de habani da ko stable or adum lei haba. Stability as one of the properties of genetic material was very evident in Griffith transforming principle itself, that heat which killed the bacteria at least did not destroy some of the properties of genetic material. Stability se properties of genetic material have na tro stability oiba have se genetic material amgi property na tro ado karambada ilai na khangba ngamkhige haba matamda Griffith ki experiment do samna haidi Griffith ki experiment di mice ki natro mice ta R strain S strain bacteria se inject tawra karamba C aduga karamba inject tawra gana karamba C de mice to C de haba do adu natro tawkhri do khoi mamangda adu do heat kill taw matamda haidi S strain bacteria do heat kill tawra kanda mice ta capture matamda mice to C de dana adu heat kill taw tar sune magi properties genetic magi gene do dane ko adum destroy hadi taukitar shodum lady le howe but magi property se gene genetic material di property di destroy tau bangam de ba hit kill taukidar shu bacteria do ko. This now can easily be explained in light of the DNA that the two strands being complementary if separated by heating come together. Man hai se DNA ki ko strand ni da DNA ki strand ani yawe hedana two strand ani yawe dana adudo sa heat piragane ko heat piraga separate tawrasu strand ani do kaigumba heat pira separate tawrasu ko heat to ne hek ka do khiba matam da heat to na heat hek pi da ba matam da ne ko amaga dum punchhan ne khine ba dum stable oi khine ba haidi maga company sam na ba da adenine ga dum thymine ga pun khine ba ko aduga guanine ga cytosine ga dum pun khine ba maga complementary oi pa chana ba sing dum punchhan khine ba ma hai se ko explain haidi easily explain taw ba matam da. Further, 2' OH group present at every nucleotide in RNA is a reactive group and makes RNA labile and easily degradable. Huzik RNA the yaubako OH group se 2' OH group se 2 position the yaw habani ko second position the OH group yauribo hadi alcohol group se RNA da hoje RNA ki structure haudri ko aduna RNA structure da mukha kani ba adugi group je sigi position gi group se reactive yam oeba ko haidi reaction yam thokale reactive group oeba ko makes RNA sina kai sem ge matam da RNA se easily degradable oeba ko liable oraga ko haidi degrade haidi yam line ne kai thaba ngami degrade tawba ngami haba. RNA is also now known to be catalytic, hence reactive. RNA se hauzik adu oi di catalytic so ore ma se catalytic oi haiba matam di reaction yam tu una thokal le haba RNA se ko aduna ma se reactive oi bane ba ko. Therefore DNA chemically is less reactive. Sidagi hor ani si ki difference ni ko hare is DNA ka RNA ki adubu DNA di ko less reactive oiba aduga structurally more stable oiba haidi stable yam oiba DNA di hongande habni da mana laikhiba position man laikhiba mawong du dagi hongande haba ko RNA ka compare tawba matam da di. Therefore among the two nucleic acid haidi DNA ga RNA ga se ko DNA ga RNA ga sine hai 2 nucleic acid hai se count ko 2 types of nucleic acid haidi DNA ga RNA ko si se basic ne. The DNA is a better genetic material. Aduna si compare to matamda DNA sina better genetic material orini sine hai se ko. In fact, the presence of thymine at the place of uracil also confer additional stability to DNA. That means DNA da ne ko hena stability le hengrise karigino haiba matamda ne thymine gi mahut haidi uracil gi mahut ne thymine yaubagi ne ba DNA da haibadi DNA sida ne DNA sida thymine yawe ba ko instead of uracil aduga RNA sida na thymine yauda bida uracil yawe ba ko uracil yawe ba thymine yauda bida ko aduna thymine DNA da thymine yaubasina stability yam henkat haline ba ko ado si detail haidi detail discussion the higher class ta ko si the detail yaudre haidi yam ka hena sida sandoktre ba higher class ta haidi class level 1 kan da yarakani ba ko sida de khoi sigi larik sigi oina di detail yaudre ba ko adu giti kai gino haibado. Both DNA and RNA are able to mutate. DNA ga RNA ga se mutation thokpa ngame, that means the mutation thokpa ngame haibata matam da evolution thokpa ya bagi chance lay haba haidi chance lay haba maram di kai mutation thokpa haidi kitang ta su soiba haiba ne ba ko kitang soiba karamain soiba haiba matam da replication, that means duplication tawba matam da kitang phau soidra de khoi se loina carbon copy oi doine masak se loin chap mana doine ba haidi phaibok to maina ko chap mana doine khoi world da lay mi sing se adu mana de se kai gino haiba matam da mutation thokpa gi ne ba do DNA ga RNA ga se mutation thoi haiba ne ba ko. In fact RNA being unstable adubu RNA se unstable oiba ko stable oi deba मासे चेंज हाइदि तौबा ngam amade samade haidi change lai lai na tौबा ngam mutate at a fastest rate adugane mutation thokpa sisune man hena fast oeba consequently viruses having RNA genome and having shorter lifespan mutate and evolve faster. Consequently viruses having RNA genome हाइबदी RNA genome यावबा virus सिंगसे RNA यावबा RNA gene यावबा virus सिंगसे अदुना mutate से हाइदि mutation से थूना तौबगी faster rate तौबगीने मोइसे evolve तौबसु थूरे evolution थोपसु थूरे अदुना मोइसे life span से तेलिनेबको मोइ मपुंसी से तेलिनेबको मोइ life span से RNA can directly code for the synthesis of protein. Haidi RNA na ne protein se direct haidi synthesis haidi produce so banga mebe. Hence can easily express the characters. Aduna magi characters se easily express to banga me haidi tiam thune express to banga me hamne RNA characters se. DNA however is dependent on RNA for synthesis of protein. Protein se di ne direct se DNA di protein se direct produce to bangam di synthesis to bangam dim ma di RNA gi mateng lauraga tawbane bako synthesis of protein se direct to bangam de bako the protein synthesizing machinery has evolved around RNA. Protein synthesizing machinery se kadai da evolve to ge haidi RNA da evolve to we habane bako RNA da evolve. The protein synthesizing machinery has evolved around RNA. Protein synthesizing machinery haidine protein se synthesize or produce to bangamba machinery se RNA de evolve to ebako RNA de lay habini bako. The above discussion indicate that both RNA and DNA can function as genetic material. Mathaki ekhoin huzik dirba mayam se karino haiba matamda RNA ga DNA ga se genetic material oine ek tawba ngami haiba duneba. But DNA being more stable adubu DNA ne hena stable oyeba ko RNA da di kaigino haiba stable oy haiba namdi RNA di unstable oyre ko point nama leire aduga madi mutate haidi mutation se faster rate ta thoe aduna evolution su faster oire aduga mogi lifespan su haidi short oire ko yamde moi mapunsi su yam sangde ko DNA ga compare tawba matamda ko aduna but DNA being more stable is preferred for storage of genetic information akhoi gi genetic information gene gi oiba information se DNA da store loin tawrine ba ko stable oiba gi hongdo hongjin taw tar di store taw genetic information store taw su kana roi ba ko aduni for the transmission of genetic information RNA is better aduga genetic information transmission tawbagi oitar di RNA se better oiba ko aduga store tawbagi oiragana DNA na hena RNA dagi stable oi habani da ko sine ngasi gi topic se ko properties of genetic material hadi genetic material ama oiraga oibada kai magun cheni habado aduna gyan ta da ba yawrasu comment ta dum hairo o aigi insta gi links to dum description da hapake aduga DM adum tawro gyan ta da ba yawrasu ko aduna aigi channel se like share subscribe to bio thank you bye bye